Hi, my love. If you've been feeling stuck, tired, or just not your best self lately, I want you to know you don't need to turn your life upside down to glow up. Sometimes the tiniest changes done every day create the biggest transformation. I'm sharing some tiny habits that helped me feel confident, calm, and truly hot from the inside out. And I want you to feel that power, not just in your body, but in your mind and energy. So let's start this together. Habit number 1. Take deep breaths daily. When your life feels too much, your breath can bring you back. Science says deep breathing lowers cortisol, the stress hormone. That means less anxiety, better skin, better digestion, and even fewer cravings. How do you do this? Try this simple breathing trick. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, and exhale for 4 seconds. Do this 5 times. You should know that you are allowed to pause. You are not lazy, you're just resting. Your most powerful self is the calm version of you. A personal story: just before I enter a stage to talk, I use this breathing technique so that my heart rate decreases and I perform like a diva. Habit number 2. Walk after dinner. Walking after dinner is not just about burning calories, it helps in your digestion and clears your mind. Science says it helps in balancing your blood sugar and improves mental health. Just go for a walk for 10 to 15 minutes, no scrolling, just you and your breath. Take it as not just walking, you're taking care of your mind and your body. You're telling this to yourself that you matter. Why don't you romanticize it? Wear a cute outfit, wear the cutest slippers you have, and make it magical. Habit number 3. Replace sorry with thank you. This one changed me. Too many of us say sorry all the time. Sorry for being late, sorry for asking a question, sorry for existing. But you are not a burden. You're human. You're growing. Instead of sorry I'm late, say thank you for waiting. It shows confidence, gratitude, and power. Let's understand how you can really apply this. Write down 3 sorries you say too much. Ask ChatGPT to flip it into a thank you version and practice it this week. Your words shape how the world sees you. Speak like you respect yourself, because I do, and I want you to feel that too. Habit number 4. Eat slowly and sensually. Hot girls don't rush their meals. They enjoy them, respect them, digest them. Fun fact: when you chew slowly, your brain knows when you're full. That means fewer cravings and better digestion. How do you really do this? Chew each bite 15 to 20 times, put down your spoon between the bites, and no phone. Just you and your food. If you're used to rushing, start 1 meal a day, maybe breakfast or dinner. Sit down, breathe, eat slowly. Every time you eat with love, you tell your body, I care for you. Habit number 5. Practice it until you become it. Don't fake it till you make it. Instead, do it until you feel like you. Why? Because the brain loves patterns. If you walk daily, you will start loving to walk. If you speak kindly, you will become more kind. And how do you really do this? You choose one habit you want to be a part of you. Do it every day for 2 minutes. Build your identity around it. For example, want to be a kind girl who journals? Don't wait. Start journaling for 2 minutes a day, 1 sentence, and that's enough. You're not pretending to be this girl. You're becoming this girl. Step by step, gently, and then eventually fully. Habit number 6. Say I get to instead of saying I should. Words like should feel heavy. I should work out. I should eat healthy. It feels like pressure. But try this. I get to move my body. I get to eat food that heals me. It turns chores into blessings. Let's understand how to do this. Write down 3 things you should do and ask ChatGPT to turn them into I get to. say them out loud every morning. Habit number 7, use a second brain. This is a habit which I recently inculcated in my life. Our minds are full of to-do lists, birthday ideas, groceries, and you don't have to carry it all. Use a digital tool like Notion, Apple Notes, or even a notebook. Make sections like to-do, ideas, habits, what made me proud today. And listen, you don't need to be a tech expert. You can just start with one simple list. Writing things down reduces anxiety and improves focus. And guess what? A clear mind equals powerful actions, and you are a powerful girl. Habit number 8, let things be 95%. You don't need to be perfect. Sometimes 95% is more than enough. Trying to do things perfectly every time leads to a burnout. For example, you planned a 30-minute workout and you just did 20 minutes of it. That's still great. If you wanted to complete 10 tasks but you did 8, still a win. Perfectionism is fear in a pretty dress. And the world does not need perfect girls. It needs powerful girls who keep going. Habit number 9, pick your outfit the night before. This saves not just your time, but also boosts your confidence right in the morning. Before bed, choose your outfit, pack your bag, keep your water ready, keys, lip balm, everything ready. Guess what? I had to shoot this video, and because I decided what I'm going to wear in this video, I was just so ready to shoot this one. Hot girls are calm, not chaotic. You deserve peaceful mornings. And choosing what to wear is not your morning thing anymore. Habit number 10, no phone in the first 30 minutes of your morning. If Instagram is the first thing you see, your brain is already tired. Keep your phone on airplane mode in the night. In the morning, first drink water, stretch, journal, then open your phone after 30 minutes. Try to wake up a little more earlier than your working hours so that you give these quiet moments in the morning. It's not about rules, it's about energy. Start your day with yourself, not the world. Babe, I don't want you to just watch this video. I want you to take one small action today. Pick up one habit you're starting from the entire list I've given you. Comment it below and let's keep each other accountable. I'll be checking every comment, and if you ever fall off, come back. I'm still here. Because this is not just about habits. This is about becoming your hottest, happiest, and the most powerful self. I'll see you in the next one.